Next type of the animal tissues is the connective tissue. So connective tissue is one of the 4 types of the animal tissues. Okay, so connective tissue itself says that it will connect the different body organs. Okay, it will connect the different body organs and it will give support to the organism. It will give shape to the organism. Okay, and it is having some binding function. It will helps the different tissues to bind together, and it will also connect the different body organs. For example, blood. So blood is the fluid connective tissue, right? It will connect the different body organs, and it is having some defensive function also, because the blood cells are present. So they are, example, they are having some clotting function. They will help in the clotting, and they are having some proteins which will act as a antibodies. So they are protective in function also. Next one is the body repair. So connective tissue also helps in the body repair. So these are some of the functions of the connective tissues. Okay, so the connective tissue is of 3 types. One is areolar tissue. So another one is the adipose tissue. Next, ligament and tendons. So these 4 types are called as connective tissue propers. Connective tissue proper. So this connective tissue is divided into again 3 types. In that, the first type is the connective tissue proper. The second type is the skeletal tissue. The skeletal tissue consists of bone and cartilage. Next, the third type is the fibrous connective tissue. That is, the fibrous connective tissue is nothing but this areolar tissue, adipose tissue, like that. Okay, so these are the some of the types of the connective tissues. So you look at the chart so that you can understand the connective tissue types easily. Okay. So next, in that the first one, that is connective tissue proper. If you take connective tissue proper, it is of it consists of different types of tissues like areolar tissue. Areolar tissue itself says that the tissue cells are having some space between the cells. There is a space or air gap. So in that, the small thin fibers are present. They consist of some proteinaceous substance in that, and they will connect the internal body organs. Okay, so this is about the areolar tissue, and the cells of these areolar tissues are called as fibroblast cells. They consist of fibrous material which is made up of the collagen, like that. Okay. Next, what is the function of this areolar tissue? So this areolar tissue sometimes also helps in the injuries, to protect the internal organs from the injuries. Okay, and it will helps in connecting one organ to the other organ, that is from one body organ to the muscles, or muscles with that of the nervous tissue, so like that, with that of some other organ, like that. So that is the function of the areolar tissue. Another type of the connective tissue proper is the adipose tissue. which is a fat storing tissue. So these cells consist of some fatty substance. So the function of this adipose tissue is it will insulate the body, means this adipose tissue is present just beneath the skin, and it will help in the prevention of the body heat to go outside. Okay, as we are the warm blooded animals, so body temperature always will remain constant, right? If the outside body temperature is more, our body temperature will not change. If the outside body temperature is cool, our body temperature will not change, right? So always our body temperature is kept constant. Okay, so this function is performed by the adipose tissue. Okay, it is a insulatory in function. So the next type of tissue is the connective tissue is the ligament. So what are ligaments? So ligaments will connect bone with that of the other joints, bone with other bone. Okay, joints are, so are the joints, are the hinge joint, are the joints of the fingers. Okay, like that they are connected with the ligaments. So the next one is the tendons. So tendons are another type of the connective tissue proper. They will connect the bone with the muscle. Okay, they will connect bones with the muscle. So these are the some of the connective tissue propers. So next one is the, in the connective tissue, the next type of tissue is the fluid connective tissue. The fluid connective tissue is the blood and the lymph. So blood will connect the different body organs. The blood consists of almost 95% of water, that is nothing but plasma, and 5% of the cells. Okay, that you will come to know in the next topic, that is the story of the blood. Next one is the lymph. Lymph is a fluid which is present between the cells. The cells consist of intercellular spaces. In the spaces, that is the extracellular fluid. Lymph is nothing but the extracellular fluid. Okay, so these two are the fluid connective tissues. Okay, so the next connective tissue is the cartilage and bone. That is the skeletal tissue. Okay, the function of this skeletal tissue is they will give shape and support to the organism. Okay, first one in that we will take as bone. The bone is a hard material which is made up of calcium phosphate and calcium sulfate and magnesium phosphates. Okay, and sometimes the bones are replaced by the cartilage also. Sorry, the cartilages are sometimes replaced by the bones. Okay, so that is called as ossification. That process is called ossification. So the study of the bone is called as osteology, and the cells present in the bones are called as osteocytic cells. Okay, so the bone is made up of calcium carbonate and calcium phosphates and magnesium phosphates. Okay, so these are mainly main substances present in the bone. Okay, the bone consists of bone marrow. In the bone marrow, the bone the cells, that is the blood cells are produced in the bone marrow, like WBCs, RBCs, they are produced in the bone marrow. Okay, so that you will come to know in the next class, next session. So the next type of the connective tissue is the cartilage. So cartilage is softer than the bone. Okay, cartilage is present between the two bones. For example, between the joints, the cartilage is present. If the cartilage is damaged, the two bones will make sound. Okay, the two bones will make sound. The cartilage cells are called as chondroblast cells. They are called as chondroblast cells. So the both bone as well as the this cartilage, both are the skeletal tissues. Okay, they are the skeletal tissues. Okay, so this is about the connective tissues. So connective tissue is one of the 4 types of the animal tissues. This connective tissue is of 3 types, that is connective tissue proper, fluid connective tissue and skeletal tissue. In the connective tissue proper, you will get the areolar tissue, adipose tissue, next ligaments and tendons. In the fluid connective tissue, it consists of blood and the lymph, and in the that is the supportive tissue, blood and the skeletal tissue. Third type is the skeletal tissue, that is the bone and the cartilage. Okay, so these are the connective tissues, and the function of the connective tissues is help in the binding function. It will give the insulation. It will give strength and support to the organism. Help in the body repairs, body organ repairs, etc. Okay, this is about the connective tissue.